The birth of a sport, from humble beginnings to global phenomenon. Basketball, believe it or not, started as a simple solution to a problem. In December 1891, James Naismith, a Canadian physical education instructor, needed a less injury-prone sport than football for his students at Springfield College in Massachusetts. His solution? 2 peach baskets and a soccer ball. Naismith's invention, originally played with 9 players on each side, quickly caught on. The game spread like wildfire across college campuses and YMCAs. It wasn't long before people realized just how exciting and engaging this new sport could be. The basic rules, with some modifications, still hold true today. 2 teams, usually with 5 players each, compete to score by shooting a ball through a hoop. The team with the most points at the end of the game wins. Simple, right? But the beauty of basketball lies in its simplicity and the endless possibilities within those rules. Basketball's global reach. A slam dunk across continents. Fast forward to today, and basketball isn't just a sport. It's a global phenomenon. From the crowded streets of New York City to the beaches of Brazil, basketball has transcended borders and languages to become a unifying force. The NBA, with its global superstars, has played a major role in this worldwide expansion. Games are broadcast in over 200 countries, and the league boasts players from all corners of the globe. This international influx of talent has only enhanced the game, bringing new styles and strategies to the court. But basketball's reach extends far beyond professional leagues. In local communities around the world, pickup games are a common sight, fostering friendships and healthy competition. Basketball has become more than just a game. It's a shared language, a way to connect with others who share a passion for the sport. Icons of the court. Legends who shaped the game. No discussion about basketball is complete without mentioning the icons who've graced the hardwood. Legends like Michael Jordan, with his gravity-defying dunks and unwavering will to win, redefined what it meant to be a basketball player. Then there's LeBron James, a physical specimen with unmatched court vision and passing skills. He's not just a scorer, he elevates his teammates, making everyone around him better. These players, along with countless others, have inspired generations of young athletes and cemented their place in basketball history. But it's not just their on-court prowess that makes these players special. It's their impact off the court. They've used their platforms to speak out against injustice, inspire change, and give back to their communities. They understand that their influence extends beyond the basketball court, and they've used it to make a difference. Section 4. Unforgettable Moments. Where history was made. Basketball, like any great sport, is filled with unforgettable moments that leave you speechless. Who could forget Michael Jordan's game-winning shot over the Utah Jazz in the 1998 NBA Finals? Or Magic Johnson, battling through injury, stepping up in Game 6 of the 1980 Finals to secure the championship for the Los Angeles Lakers? These moments, etched in basketball lore, remind us why we love this game. The thrill of victory, the agony of defeat, the sheer unpredictability of it all. And let's not forget about the records. Wilt Chamberlain's 100-point game, a feat that may never be duplicated, is a testament to human potential and athletic brilliance. These records serve as benchmarks, inspiring players to push their limits and chase greatness. Section 5. Beyond the hardwood. Basketball's cultural impact. Basketball's influence extends far beyond the confines of the court. It's woven into the fabric of popular culture, inspiring music, fashion, and even language. Hip-hop music, for example, has had a long and intertwined relationship with basketball. From sneakers becoming a fashion statement to basketball phrases entering our everyday vocabulary, the sport's impact is undeniable. Think about it. When was the last time you heard someone say slam dunk or game changer without thinking about basketball. Basketball has also been a powerful tool for social change. Players like Bill Russell and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar used their platforms to fight for civil rights and equality, paving the way for future generations of athletes to use their voices to make a difference. Section 6. The love of the game. Why basketball continues to captivate. So, what is it about basketball that continues to captivate audiences worldwide? It's the fast-paced action, the breathtaking athleticism, the strategic brilliance, but it's more than that. Basketball is a game of hope, a game where any possession can change the momentum, where underdogs can rise to the occasion and create magical moments. It's a sport that teaches teamwork, perseverance, and the importance of never giving up, no matter the odds. Basketball is a game for everyone, regardless of age, background, or skill level. Whether you're shooting hoops in your driveway, watching your favorite team on TV, or playing in a competitive league, basketball has a way of bringing people together. Section 7. Mastering your game. Tips and tricks for every player. Now let's get to the good stuff, improving your game. First and foremost, master the fundamentals: dribbling, shooting, passing, and defense. Practice these skills relentlessly until they become second nature. Watch the greats, study their moves, and try to incorporate elements of their game into your own. But remember, basketball is a team sport. Learn to trust your teammates, communicate effectively, and play unselfishly. And most importantly, have fun. Basketball should be enjoyable. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and learn from your mistakes. Remember, even the greatest players started somewhere. With hard work, dedication, and a love for the game, you too can experience the joy and excitement that basketball has to offer. Now get out there and ball.